Good evening, and welcome to the second annual Homegrown. I'm Kim Scott, President and CEO of Trillium Family Services. You know, this moment stands for a real testimony to the great things that can happen when a community comes together to support something vital. Tonight, we sit together as business leaders, as culinary and beverage artisans, as musicians, activists, and caretakers of our youth. We all play a role in what makes this community great, and we can all play a role in making a stronger and healthy Oregon. Trillium is Oregon's largest provider of behavioral and mental health services for children and families. We know that our services work, and we know that we're effective. So tonight, we really want to have a conversation about mental health that brings it out into the open, and we want to be able to reduce stigma. We want to ensure that those that need our services can seek those services without feelings of fear or shame. You know, I've been part of Trillium Family Services for more than 30 years, and I know that our services truly save lives, change lives. I truly believe that our community is stronger because we're part of it. It takes an entire community to make a difference, create the kind of atmosphere that I'm talking about where we can support those in our community that need that support. It's a commitment, and I think that we can all meet that commitment. So tonight, please join us as we celebrate our work together on behalf of children and families and the concept of embracing hope and embracing a positive future. Thank you for coming, and I hope you enjoy an incredible evening.
At Regents, we know health is a community-wide effort, and that's why we partner with Trillium Family Services. The care they deliver to our youth is creating a stronger foundation for our communities in the future.
Metropolitan Group is so proud to sponsor Trillium Family Services because we believe that mental health is a vital part of everyone's overall health and well-being. As a world-class provider of mental health services for young people in our communities, Trillium is making a big difference in making our communities stronger, healthier, and more vital for all of us.
Randall Children's Hospital at Legacy Emmanuel provides the highest quality medical care to children throughout the Northwest. Trillium's programs for youth and families are a central part of the continuum of care and enable Legacy to fulfill our mission of good health for our patients and our community.
When I was 15 years old was the first time that I really recall being exposed to mental health challenges with children. My parents had invited into our family an extended family member who was 10 years old, who had essentially been routed about foster care centers, residential treatment centers, and had pretty significant mental health challenges. And my parents were trying to help, and Ruben lived with us for a number of years. And through that process, one of the things that I learned was the stress that it can put on families when you're going through difficult times. And I watched my parents try to do everything they could do to help Ruben. And hindsight's always 20/20. One of the things that I wish all those years ago were that my parents knew about the services of Trillium and how Trillium can really help families and more specifically children with mental health challenges.